Guys, welcome back to my video, and today I didn't finish my nail here, but I finished this nail, but it's literally here. So you can't see the color of this, but there is a color. It's just light. Yeah, I've used this color. So today I'm going to be doing the match that squishy tag. So I don't know why this plastic paper is here, but let's just throw it. And this plastic, I don't know why. So I got all of my squishies here, and I'm going to be closing my eyes and pick some here. And I need to think a squishy, match that squishy tag. So I have to match it to another thing or squishy. So I'm going to closing my eyes. Close my eyes and pick something. Something falls. I'm trying. What's this? I don't know what's this. Thought it was a big ball. Oh, I got the big one. I thought this was like a big ball. I said, what is this? Is this a big ball? I said, I didn't remember any big ball. So it says Mr. Granola Bar. And if I don't have any granola bars or anything, I will have to sit on this and in this entire video. So I know it's not really look like Mr. Granola Bar, but it's okay. So that's his face. It's squishy. So I'm gonna be trying to find some granola bars, but I don't have any granola bars, so I have to sit on it. Okay, so I got my here. I'm gonna put this squishy here, and let's see. Like something happened. Okay, so now I only have a small basket now. Now the other one. I'm guessing this is the pillow. You know, I know this pillow because pillow. It's just the pillow. There. That's the pillow. So I already got a pillow by my side. So I got this one. So I'm going to put it in my side. I don't want to put it in a basket because I don't want to pick it again. So I don't have to sit on this because I got a pillow here, a pillow outside, and a pillow all the way from here. It's stuffy. Okay. What is this? Okay, so it's beanbag where you sit on. Beanbag where I sit on. We can use the beanbag for opening a package, or beanbag where you sit on. So I don't have any beanbag, so I guess I have to sit on this. So my squishy slurry flatten, and I have to put it here by this side. Let's go sit on it. Oh, I didn't really sit on it. Okay, I sit it on them now. Let's pick another one. I know this is the beard. So I got this beard, man. That it's really squishy. Beard. I had a beard before. So I'm going to be finding some beard. So trying to find my beard that I got in glasses, but I think I rather got it turned up, so I have to sit on this beard squishy. Okay, let's put it here. It's got setting on them. Okay, got set. Now let's how many did I pick? 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm going to be picking 2 more. I think 4 more, so it would be 8. Wait, how many do I have? Yeah, 4 more. Because like I got lots of squishy, but the other squishy I might not pick. I'm not going to pick. And I think this is this one. So the sea monster. But like I don't have any sea monster. Like what is sea monster? Like just have to sit on it again. Sitting on there. Okay, now let's pick it again. Let's pick call. Let's pick card. Little pickle. I don't have any pickles in my house. Just sit on them again. Why do I keep on like, oh my goodness. Got this nice packaging. It's book girl. I got lots of books here, so I'm a girl. But I need to find a book. Finding books. Going out of my bed. Ready? I need find a book. I'm a book girl. Okay. So I've sitting in a squishy for 1, 2, 3. I've sitting in a squishy for 5. Okay, so I only got 2 that is finished. And 5 squishes that is sitting. I need to pick 1 more. Got this gum. So this is the gum that I was telling you guys. So I have a gum here that you wouldn't know it's a gum. It's a juicy fruit gum. Okay. So I don't need to get that. Listen to my heart beat, beat, beat. That's the sound musically. So that's all what I have for today. And I have to sit for my squishes a minute. So we're gonna wait for a minute. So I'm just gonna play with these squishies. I like this. I think I'm gonna be ordering in online some squishies. I don't really know because yeah, if I'm gonna order some book orders. But this is really nothing. This is the one that I cut it in pickle. Okay, so I'm gonna take this big out and look what happened. Bigger slicing, but stuck. It's stuck. It's like super duper stuck. Look at it. It's like so stuck. But nothing changed. Still squishy. And this got really flattened. So it's going up and it's not, it's like so flattened. It's not going up anymore. It's like they flattened it. But now it's up because I arranged it. That's good. Pickle, look, he's so flattened. It's not like something changed, but like, look. It's so squished. Okay, I already got it. Okay, we have one more left. So flattened. I don't know what's so flattened because it's not going up. It's so flattened. Okay, so this is that one right. Oh, see mine. It's really flattened on this side. So that's all my squishy, and I saw some, I forgot the name of it, the username, but she said giveaway in a comment in my other squishy, but I know in my other video, but I can't give aways because I don't know yet, and like, yeah, and I don't know how to do it because like it's just like I just started making videos like for a month, and I don't know about making huge, but I know how to post videos, but I don't know like how to giveaways. I couldn't like, I don't know. So I'll try to like, that's all of my species. So I'll try to buy more squishies for you guys. And I think I'm going to make a video tomorrow again with I don't want to know if I'm going to make a video tomorrow, but I think I will. And I like to look up what happened to my nail polish. Look what I did. This is squishy. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. I have to put this. Okay, so this cup. So I'm putting the big one first. So yeah, that's all my video about, I forgot the name. I'm gonna look at it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video about the match that squishy tag. And I saw a YouTube video that matched that squishy tag, and this is the video. And I liked the stress ball that she did. So and I guess he subscriber, that's her name.
But anyways,
so yeah, anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Bye, and subscribe and thumbs it up, and comment down below what am I gonna do next. And I said if I got 100 I got 100 views, I will make a house tour again, even if my room and my dad's room and my house room, I don't know. So yeah.